These settings have been updated to align with the latest versions of Google Chrome. They aim to enhance performance, security, and privacy in accordance with the most recent available browser settings. Performance optimization. Enable graphics acceleration open settings. Go to System under Advanced Settings. Enable Use graphics acceleration when available to improve browser performance when running games or videos. Manage extensions. Open the browser and type Chrome//extensions/ in the address bar. Disable or remove unnecessary extensions to improve browser speed and reduce resource consumption. Clear cache. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, browsing history. What it does, deletes the record of all websites you have visited. Should you clear it? Clear it to protect privacy, free up space, or if you notice older pages consuming resources. Cookies and other site data. What it does, deletes cookies that help with login and site preferences. Should you clear it? Clear it to remove ad tracking and improve privacy. Note that you may need to re-log in to sites afterwards. Cached images and files. What it does, deletes locally stored files like images and UI elements that the browser uses for faster page loading. Should you clear it? Clear it if the browser is slow or if there are display issues with some pages. This can free up space and smooth out browsing. Those sites may take slightly longer to load initially. Passwords and other sign-in data. What it does, deletes stored passwords and login data in the browser. Should you clear it? Only clear it if you wish to delete all saved passwords permanently. Alternatively, manage individual passwords via Settings, Autofill, Password Manager, Autofill form data. What it does, deletes saved information like addresses, phone numbers, or credit cards. Should you clear it? Clear it for privacy, or if the saved data is outdated or inaccurate. Site settings. What it does, deletes permissions and settings customized for each site, like geolocation or notifications. Should you clear it? Clear it to reset all site permissions, especially if you encounter issues with specific sites or if permissions are outdated or unwanted. Hosted app data. What it does, deletes data stored by Chrome Web Store installed apps. Should you clear it? Clear it if you no longer use installed apps or encounter issues with them. Enable page preloading for faster browsing. Go to Settings, Performance, Speed. For maximum speed, choose extended preloading to preload more pages, ideal for high-speed, unlimited data connections. For privacy or limited data, choose standard preloading for reasonable speed with more data control. Note, extended preloading maximizes browsing speed, but standard strikes a balance between privacy and performance. Disable background apps. Go to Settings, System. Turn off. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed to stop resource-draining background apps. Security enhancement. Enable enhanced protection. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Security. Select Enhanced Protection to improve security against harmful websites, apps, and online attacks. Disable password saving. Go to Settings, Autofill, Password Manager. Disable Offer to save passwords to enhance security and prevent storing passwords in the browser. Safe browsing. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Security. Ensure secure connections is enabled for additional protection against phishing sites and malicious content. Use secure DNS. Privacy optimization. Manage cookies. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and other site data. Choose Block third-party cookies to protect your privacy from ad tracking. Prevent sites from tracking your location. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Under Permissions, choose Location. Select Don't allow sites to track your physical location to prevent websites from accessing your location data.